What if one of the best things you could do for your kidneys wasn't an expensive supplement or a trendy detox, but a simple drink you already know? Your kidneys work 24 hours a day, filtering nearly 50 gallons of blood daily, removing waste, balancing fluids, regulating blood pressure, and supporting many essential functions in your body. Yet millions of people unknowingly damage their kidneys through poor hydration and unhealthy beverage choices. So what is the best drink for kidney health? The answer may surprise you. Let's find out. Section 1. Why your kidneys need the right drink. Your kidneys are your body's natural filtration system. Every day they remove toxins, balance minerals, control fluid levels, help regulate blood pressure, support healthy red blood cell production. To do all this efficiently, your kidneys depend on one essential thing: proper hydration. Without enough fluids, your kidneys have to work harder, and over time, that extra strain may contribute to kidney stones or other kidney problems. Section 2. The best drink for kidney health. So what's the best drink? Plain water. It may sound simple, but water remains the gold standard for keeping your kidneys healthy. Water helps flush waste products from your body, dilute minerals that can form kidney stones, maintain healthy blood flow to the kidneys, prevent dehydration, support normal kidney function. Unlike sugary drinks or alcohol, water hydrates without adding unnecessary sugar, sodium, or calories. For most healthy adults, drinking enough water throughout the day is one of the easiest ways to support kidney health. The exact amount varies depending on your age, activity level, climate, and medical conditions. Section 4. Other kidney-friendly drinks. While water is the best choice, other drinks can also fit into a healthy lifestyle. Unsweetened herbal tea. Many caffeine-free herbal teas can contribute to hydration. However, if you have kidney disease, ask your healthcare provider before regularly consuming herbal products, as some herbs may not be appropriate. Low-fat milk. Low-fat dairy provides nutrients like calcium and protein. People with advanced kidney disease, however, may need to limit certain minerals such as phosphorus or potassium under medical guidance. Black coffee and plain tea. Moderate amounts of coffee or tea can fit into a healthy diet for many people, but excessive caffeine may not be suitable for everyone. Section 5. Drinks that can harm your kidneys. Now let's talk about drinks you should limit. Sugary soft drinks. Frequent consumption of sugar-sweetened beverages has been linked to a higher risk of obesity, type 2 diabetes, and conditions that can increase the risk of kidney disease. Energy drinks. These often contain high levels of sugar and caffeine, which may not be ideal for overall health. Excessive alcohol. Too much alcohol can lead to dehydration and increase the risk of high blood pressure, both of which can negatively affect kidney health. High-sodium drinks. Some processed vegetable juices and packaged beverages contain large amounts of sodium, which may not be suitable for people with high blood pressure or kidney disease. Section 6. Everyday habits that protect your kidneys. Healthy kidneys require more than just drinking water. Here are a few habits that make a big difference. Stay physically active. Maintain a healthy weight. Keep your blood pressure under control. Manage diabetes if you have it. Eat less salt. Avoid smoking. Don't overuse pain medications like ibuprofen or naproxen unless directed by your healthcare provider, as long-term or excessive use can affect kidney function. Have regular health checkups if you're at higher risk for kidney disease. Key takeaway. If you're looking for the best drink for kidney health, you don't need expensive detox drinks or miracle supplements. For most people, plain water remains the healthiest choice. If you enjoy it, adding a slice of fresh lemon can make it more refreshing and may help reduce the risk of certain kidney stones. Combined with a healthy lifestyle, staying well hydrated is one of the simplest ways to support your kidneys. How much water do you usually drink each day? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more science-backed health videos every week. And remember, if you have chronic kidney disease, heart failure, or another condition that requires fluid restrictions, always follow your healthcare provider's advice about how much you should drink. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.